Hello aspirants.
Recording in progress.
A question from CSC 2017 paper 2 series A, question number 53. The reason for this question is sometimes I have found while teaching in classes also that students take this question in a very lengthy way, or they start from students from engineering background, they start feeling like I should apply an equation which is it is always going to cost you time. So, what is the preferred way, how you should go with the such type of question introduced by UPSC. So, the age of Mr. X last year was the square of a number and it would be the cube of a number next year. What is the least number of years? Why did I highlight this? There is a reason, because UPSC has become cautious while writing this list. You too should have such thinkings, that why did they introduce this word, so that you can understand how smart you have to be. I will tell you later on when we go with the solution. Must wait for his age to become the cube of a number again. So, again is a one more thing that I have highlighted. I believe you must have gone through the question, and next we are going to talk about the solution. So, how a engineering background student behaves? He starts thinking like I should design an equation, and suppose his age be any number a. If it is today, then a minus 1 was supposed to be the square of a particular number. Then again a plus 1 is going to be cube of any other number which is not in right now, known to me. So, I am keeping it suppose p, right. And now two equations, 3 unknowns. You will be trapped. And again, look at the smartness of the UPSC, that they did not ask you what is his age. Had they asked you an age, what advantage did you have? You had an advantage of options. So, had they asked you age, you could have directly applied a logic that subtraction of 1 should lead me towards the perfect square number, addition of 1 should be lead me towards the perfect cube number. That is why they did not ask you his person's age. What they indirectly asked is how much should be added to his age number, so that he becomes a new perfect cube, right. This is how the UPSC is actually. I do not know people why do they take CSET paper in otherwise, but yes, it tells you that you need to have application of your own brain when you are in under pressure. Now, I believe you must have understood that this is going to cost me a time in paper. So, what approach should it have? It is very fine. Although we recommend this being available in the classroom, that you should be known about squares of 1 to 30 and you should be known about at least cubes of 20. If it is mugged up or on your fingertips, then it is fine. It is appreciable. It is not like that if you are not known by, you will not be able to qualify the paper, but if it helps you to get some more confidence when being in paper. Secondly, sir, now you will start. I will tell you, suppose I consider his age being 26, then look at the answer. 26 minus 1, it is going to be 25, which is, I am writing it in the same manner, means actually I wrote 26 over here, so it should be here, and now 26 minus 1 will let you have a square of 1 and 26 plus 1 will let you have cube of some other number. Sir, how to guess it is 26? So, first of all, again I am coming to that point, that why did I mention about this least number again. So, what age, up to what age are you going to live generally? So, maximum I am considering 100 and that number is cube of some number. You are not supposed to exceed the value of 5, means not even 5. Let us see, 4's cube it is going to be 64. If a person's age is 53, 5 ka cube it is going to be 125. So, I believe every number whose cube is lesser than 100 that I should talk about. This is what application of brain tells. I am not telling this as a teacher. and telling you as an applicant in the paper or an aspirant in the exam that how he should take the exam, right. This is a brains application that CSAT demands. Okay, I believe you may have understood, and you too have understood how lengthy it is going to be if you go through the equation point of view. Secondly, sir, why did you talk about this terms like least? Now, someone may claim, there are some notation, there are some kind of students also, and some teacher also, I believe that they are talking such things. I am not getting into that. So, if I take his age, means today his age is 26 years, the next perfect cube number after 27 is going to be 64. And look at the question what they have asked, become the cube of a number again. So, if he is at 26, if I add 38 in it, it will be 64 again. Now, if it is going to be 38, it is going to be your answer is this. Then what is new you are talking about, or am I talking about? What am I talking about is, if not 64, a perfect cube, then he was supposed to be 125 later on, right. If it is not going to be a perfect cube number and not being 64, suppose I did not let you have 38 in option, then you will not come across any perfect square number. Now, if it is 125, I will have to add 99. 99 is nowhere in the option. Again, talking about such thing ki it is going to be 125 also. So, to make themselves safe from that controversy, they use this word least. And again, means if you are talking about 125, then it can be one more time, they mentioned least, they did not mention 99 over there. So, this is how UPSC's smartness is, and we should always consider these things in our brain also, that they want you to have some extra thinking capability while you are taking the exam. That is why it has been kept as qualifying paper. We will meet for next questions. Thank you.